Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and we just finished up a job in Fairfax. We did a driveway replacement, carport replacement, and then 2 walkways with this stair system going down to the street. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the stair system, before they had a couple stairs in a row, and then a lot of it was below grade. So we tried our best to space the stairs out fairly evenly, and then only do one step and then land onto a platform. Makes it a little better for walking, and we were able to level this out a lot better with the grade here on site. Here's a look from the top with the connector walkway. That connector walkway is brand new. They just had some stepping stones there leading to the driveway. Then here's a look going down. Now when we're all said and done, you can see that the grade kind of drops off and slopes into the walkway, probably from years of erosion since it was sunken down. So they will have to have a landscaper come in here and regrade away, but we left them prepped for that in the future. Here's the driveway section. Looks really nice. Top part's already cured. Shot midway. Going over to the walkway there, leading to the carport. Here's a shot of the carport concrete. Came out really nice. We redid the stair system over there as well. And here's one final parting shot of the whole project. I hope you like what you see. Any concrete work, stair systems, carports, anything a little more complicated than the normal job, we'd be happy to take the project on. Give us a call, and thanks for watching.